Hey everyone, just want to give a quick update on a new parts library that I'm going to release soon in Revit. So right now, it's in the WW Beta tab. Right? It's called Library 2.0 right now, but it's subject to change. So basically, it'll be a parts library similar to the old one we had, but modified so it's pulling from the new folders, like from the Kaizen. Um, and as you see, like there's different tabs you can load from, and then over in this window, it tells you what families, like you can load in the project, you can load multiple, you can load from different tabs, and then it shows this preview image on the side right here of what the last thing you select is. Um, for certain families, you can have a little pull down for different types, and basically it's just going to be similar to AutoCAD. And right now, taking requests for anything anybody wants to see here. And just wanted to mention it to you guys, and it'll be released. Beta version will be released or updated later today. And thank you.